In today's video, I'm going to show you that transplanting succulents is so easy, a 2-year-old can do it. Watch as my son plants every single one of our succulent cuttings into this planter. So when we do this, we'll just take several different cuttings from a bunch of different varieties here. All we're going to do is peel off the bottom few petals, and then we will take this and place it right into the soil. If you want to, and you're a little bit picky with your succulents, you can let these sit out for a day or two to let it callus over, but I've never had an issue just putting it right into the soil right away. Sterling, what about, should we get some more right here?
Go for it.
Thank you. Put it in straight down. Straight down. Good job. No shovel.
Shovel. Mario. Shovel. Two.
Okay, like that one. Do you want to put that in? Here, grab it from the top. Grab it like this, okay? Good. Grab it. Okay, now put it in the dirt. Good job.
This was shallow.
With these stacking crassula, if you take that cut, you'll just spin off the bottom ones. Just like that, so you have a couple of nodes. You put that in? No. There. Good job.
Marca scissors.
This one? Here. Put that one in. All the way in. Good job. Okay, want to do this one? That is a donkey's tail. This is donkey tail. Here. Yep. Put that in. Good job.
Marca scissors.
No, just Daddy will cut. Daddy will use the scissors. So you might be wondering, why would we cut off all of the tops of these plants instead of planting the entire thing just like this? Well, that's because I like to keep the mother plant like that in its own little space. So I'm going to transplant these into another container. But I do this so I can both get this propagated cutting here, and then I'll also have that original plant that will have a lot of stored up energy because it's an older plant, so it's going to flush out a lot of little babies after we take the cutting.
What?
This one, the Jade. I'll do the Jade.
Not right.
There we go. Put that in there. Good job.
More for you.
More plants. What about ogre ears? Ogre? Like Shrek. Is that like Shrek? See, there's Shrek? Those Shrek ears. What's this plant? Do you want to put that in?
What there?
Right there?
No.
Cool. Good choice. Okay. Here's one. Well, put just a single Shrek ear in there. Okay. Here's that one.
This.
Yep, you put it wherever you want it. Here we have a beautiful variegated variety of stacking crassula. Doing good? Here, push that straight in.
That way.
Mm-hmm. There, stop.
More. More.
Pack that in a little bit.
More.
You want some more?
More it. Daddy. This one. This.
Here. What about lots of these?
I what, please? Wanna try?
Here. Good.
Wanna try?
Put it right there.
Try that.
No, no shovel. He really likes to use a shovel. Here, stick this in. Put that in somewhere.
Right there.
Right there. You plant flowers.
More?
More?
No.
Say more flowers, please.
There.
Say more flowers,
Right
please.
there.
This one?
No.
Okay. You say more.
Try.
Yeah, a Shrek ear. Right there. Okay, soft.
More?
Yeah.
More?
More?
The one there.
That one?
Snap.
Okay.
Please. That one.
This one?
No. That one.
That one? We already cut. This one we do. Good job. And that one there?
Then shovel right there. What is shovel right?
No shovel.
Right.
Okay. Anything else? One more?
That one. No.
What about this one?
That one. No. That one. That one.
This one?
No. That one.
This one?
No.
This
That
one?
one.
No, those are too big. How about we put another burro's tail in there? Here, this one?
Show that. That one.
Okay, there we go. I think that's it. See what you did, Sterling? So Sterling did a great job on this planter. I was really surprised with how he did in putting the plants in. He likes using the shovel more than anything, but once I showed him he can just stick the plants right down in there. He did a good job. And as you can see, we still have a ton of mother plants to transplant into a different planter as well to get them out of these little tray plugs. Carrying forward for the next week, you're going to want to mist these just lightly every day, but don't give them a normal watering for about 3 weeks from now. So thank you guys all so much for watching. I wish you all the best. Happy gardening, and we'll see you in the next video.